chocolate shark here. She hit 60,000, which is good. But after I started the bike up and started going downhill, the fuel instantly dropped to halfway. So I'm gonna have to employ my most tactitious fuel-saving techniques, which isn't many. So see how we go. I'm also on the map. I was looking for the nearest petrol station, and for some reason it's disappeared off my map. So hopefully it reappears. Anyway, just let you know. Just let you know, my bro. What are these fuel-saving techniques you speak of, Jagger? Well, let me tell you, get your momentum up, easy on the throttle, easy on the throttle, no braking. Just let yourself glide downhill. Use your energy to carry you through the corner. Also, another one that I'm not really doing, maybe I should, is getting a bit more aerodynamic, which is crouching down a bit. Other things I could do, I don't know, pump up the tyres, which I haven't done. Oh no, if there's any big trucks, you can sit behind a truck, but there's nothing out here. It's also a very windy day, which doesn't help. And I can't lean this bad boy over too much because he starts to scratch. As you heard earlier. Yeah, it's a good fuel saving technique. I'm literally using zero fuel. Woo, baby! Woo-hoo. It's like downhill mountain bike riding. But on a scooter. I have to go? No. Okay, good. This is the way. This is the way. Let's go. Sunny, beautiful weather, but I'm still getting out with little spots of rain. And you have to stand up because the ground's a bit rough. First maiden voyage across Vietnam. Hope you don't mind me all this chit chat, but it's kind of nice talking to yourself. Will it need a wee push? Push. Okay, just a little push. Got a good run up. Okay, back on. Come on. Hey-ya, hey-ya. There we go. Thought the corner was going to be sharpish. Shouldn't have slowed down as much. But, here we are. Do in the countryside when you're a kid. Ride your bike, fight with sticks, stuff like that. What am I doing? I'm riding my bike in the countryside. Just a motorized version. So we update. Still a lovely day. It's a good update, isn't it? That's it. full, please. Thank you. Come on. Come on. Full. Taking these videos, but how can you when it's just so nice out here, you know? When you hear a truck, you gotta give way to them. They're the boss around here. They're in charge. Oh my God, the puppy! Puppy, hello. Oh my God, you're the smallest thing I ever did see. Hello. Oh. Puppy, 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 puppy. Hello. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Oh, little guy. There he is. Hey, little guy. There you go. Run away, run free. He's so tiny, don't get hit by a truck. Looks like these goats are a bit lost. As am I, because I'm on the wrong side of the road. Hey goats. Goodbye goats. Oh, yep. This is beautiful right here. It's probably my new favourite part, I think. Really nice. The weather helps too, and knowing I've got a full tank of gas. But no, seriously, you can look to the right. I took a picture, maybe I'll chuck it up. But yeah, it's really nice. That's all I wanted to say. Get out here and do it. Buy a bike, rent a bike. Find somewhere to ride. Do it. Woo! Oh no, we've got yellow dots and the lines in the middle. It's a nice simple road. I like it without all the colours. Right. Nighttime, yeah, give me everything. Daytime, just give me that clean road, the racetrack, you know? Yellows and whites and reds. Don't need it during the day. Don't want it. I don't want nothing telling me what to do. Yeah, David Edinburgh. Who's the chef? Anthony Bourdain. Long way down, all that stuff. They just do it. They get filmed, they don't worry about filming or editing. Oh, high van pass, just started it, so see what it's like. I reckon it'll be pretty good, but I think I've already done a bit of stuff. So. It's the contrasting beaches, city and beautiful mountain scenery. That's what makes it famous. See why. See why. Not bad, not bad. It's not too bad, the high van pass. It's fun, it's nice. It's a little bit faster than the Port Hills. But I think I enjoy the Port Hills more. Actually, it's quite similar to the Port Hills. I know you can't see it, but out to the right is the ocean. Pure ocean, few boats. The only way to tell where the sky meets the sea is those few boats. They just merge. It's one big blanket of blue. So I was riding along and I was stretching my eyes and face. And put my hand down and like a bee or something, like a black thing the size of my thumb, it flew into my helmet and smashed around. I managed to flick it out. I only saw it for a split second, and now my right eye is like, it won't stop beeping. Like, I don't know, it's like a weird bee juice has got in my eye or something. Oh man, so I gotta check it out. Yeah, we're back to the fuel saving techniques. Since I'm running precariously low on gas and I've got 25 k's to go, I think I should be fine, but I'm just taking some fun precautionary measures just in case. This road's very nice actually, so it's not too bad. I'm going to take this corner. Yes sir! So, hopefully we'll be alright. It's getting pretty close. I think, I don't know, I didn't think I was going to make it before, but now we might, I'm not too sure. It's going to be really close, I think. Depends where the gas station is, or how steep the uphills are. And yeah, that's about it really. I was hoping to be more downhill up the range. Okay, 5k. Let's try it. If not, well, we're pushing. But luckily, it is mostly flat, so if I'm pushing the bike, it's okay. So even though I'm going super slow, like some people are still going the same speed as me. They're just really chill. Or they just look after their vehicles or something, you know? They just take it easy. That's good. It's one closer than I thought. Sweet! We made it. Hello. Full. Full. Thank you. Moto. Chickens in the petrol station. Must be fueling up. Having a wee break. Got another 2.5 hours to go, so. Down my sunglasses. But we made it. Unlimited gas. So that's good. It's always good to fuel up. Carry on, another day, another set of roads. Oh, these taste so good. Back on the road, about 110 k's to the next town where I'm going to stay the night, hopefully. All that matters is that it's still going forward at a considerably even rate. Tyres are pumped up, the engine's working, the brakes are working. So I hope I haven't jinxed myself, but yeah, that's about all we need to keep this road trip alive. Keep the road trip alive. So I think I have jinxed myself, and so I'm going to have to pull into a gas station or something and see what's going on with the engine. Maybe the vacuum come undone again. But it looks like it's going to rain, so I need to find some shelter to do the work. So I've decided to backtrack just back to the town where I come from. It's only a kilometre or so. Just because I want to see if I can get this vacuum pipe fixed. It's got a crack in it now, and it won't seal up. So that looks like a motorbike shop. Oh, maybe I'll go ask them. It's all a gamble, eh? If you get one that's willing to help, or has a little bit of English, or knows what they're doing, or is not busy, you know. I need some zip ties, and I need a longer rubber hose, ideally. What's this? It's a motorbike? No, it's food. Alrighty, in a wee town, I don't know the name of the town, but yeah, got the scooter fixed. He got some epoxy on there and fixed it up there as I've shown in a video. Yeah, so we're gonna go find some food, but no food, so hello. And friendly locals. And yeah, and now I am just about to carry on my 2-hour journey. But yeah, he wouldn't take any money, so I had to give him money. So I gave him 20, only 20k, which is like $1 something. $1, it's like $1.30 New Zealand, so it's hardly anything. But I tried to give him more, but he's like, no, 20, okay. I was like, okay. So yeah, very friendly guy, so I'll try and leave him a good review on Google. Anyway, see you soon. Only 107 kilometers to go. The full tank. So it should be A-okay. Nice thick dense forest there though. Going through a little bit back home. Reminds me of planet Earth, you know. Brakes aren't the best, they're a bit soft. But no, I've had worse. Ridden the bike before with no brakes. On a trail ride, 50k loop, me and Dad. The bike literally had no brakes, so I had to engine brake everywhere. Beautiful. Beautiful. as I was leaving, I met some Kiwis from Christchurch. It's pretty cool. James and I forget her name. Some Dunedin. I'll call it Dunedin. James and Dunedin. And yeah, might do a bit of travelling with them today. Although I have already lost them, so that's a good start, eh? But I think I remember the driver saying he was going left, so I've come the back way. But we're all going to end up at the same place, so either way, I'll see him later. Got him on facey. A little bit rainy, a little bit wet. Just the way we like it. Wow. Probably can't really see them that well in the video, but they're momentous. Okay, well on the map it says it's a road, but it clearly isn't, so we're going to go off-road. And this is the main road just here, so pretty funny. I'll wait off the bike here. Oh, don't want to bottom it out. There we go. We're away. What's up? Oh cow. There's me top speed, maybe 35k an hour. Getting that, you know, I'm not on a race bike or a dirt bike. I want like a commuter scooter. Oh, here's my friend. Good stuff, James. Good stuff. It's quite rough. Yeah. Yeah, have a look, Just gotta dodge all the cow dung. On the road again. Oh, we've got a fourth in the group now. We've got a lady from Malaysia, Ipoh, and she lives in Sydney for the last 12 or 13 years. So we got her, and we got Chelsea from Christchurch, and James from Christchurch / Canada. Pretty cool. I've almost got the auto tune going with the amount of bumps on the road. You see what I mean? Yeah. So these guys are running 250cc bikes, I believe. Whoa, here we go. Big rock falls there. Could be a hard one, I think. Very nice. It's like doing the Heafy track but on a motorbike on the road. Oh yeah, looks like some monkeys, some armadillos. Hello. I wonder what the locals think about us, or think about me riding my scooter, you know? They must think like, why are you out here? Because this is just the everyday place, so they're just used to it, I guess. Why are you not back home working? How do you afford to be riding across that country in the middle of nowhere? And yeah, who are you? Where do you come from? It's quite nice riding with another group. Reminds me a bit of traveling through the States with down here boy, decent. Yeah, but also, you know, you can kind of relax a bit when you're in the back of the pack. You don't always have to be 100% onto it, you know, watching out for cars and traffic. It's nice to sort of sit back and follow the pack. Should really check and see if these on these videos you can hear my voice. I'm hoping you can. Or maybe not, maybe I just got an annoying voice. What questions I'd be asking in my head about these foreigners, you know? Hello. 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 Oh. Ow! Quick. Oh, that him. Hey. Bye. 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 Keep on, pal. Bye bye. Woo! I love the high fives right here. I'm loving it. Hello. 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 See you. Bye bye. Hello.
Phải vô Nam.
Bye. Oh, these kids are loving it. I want high fives too. Okay, I'll try. Oh! Hello. 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 You want to shake hands? Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Jagger. Quick. Oh, I'll call you Kids. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Hello.